Before New Orleans was New Orleans, it was French.
And today we are bringing those roots together in a bold, plant-based way. This is a Cajun-inspired vegan chicken cassoulet.
Hearty white beans, Dijon chicken, the holy trinity, slow simmer flavor.
And finished with a golden crust paired with warm croissants.
Let's get started.
These are the ingredients we are using today.
In Louisiana, flavors start with what's called the holy trinity.
Onions, celery, your bell peppers, in a skillet with some avocado oil on medium heat. That's all it takes, you guys. That's how we're going to start this. All right, you guys. So we have add the minced garlic and just a pinch of your Creole seasoning.
Now don't rush this part. This is part of the foundation.
Yes. All right, you guys. In a separate pan, we got some avocado oil. We're just going to pour in our Beyond chicken pieces. My favorite part. And to that, we're just going to add our Creole seasoning. Tony's. My number one go-to. All right. We have some garlic powder. And you know, you guys, I'm not measuring this. I'm just doing whatever until it smells good, okay? Which it already does, but you know, I'm just adding to it. Now that's my cayenne pepper. This is a spicy dish, so whatever your heart desires. And then we have some smoked paprika. Gonna give it that nice bold red color. And let's not forget the Italian seasoning. Another one of my faves. All right, now you're just gonna sear this in your oil on medium heat until each side is nice and brown. All right, you guys, back to the pot with the Holy Trinity. Ooh, look at that. That chicken looks so good, you guys. Still can't believe it's plant-based. Give that a little mix together. Listen to that. All right, you guys. Now to this, what we're going to do is add about a tablespoon of tomato paste. Not too much, just a little bit. All this going to do, all the tomato does is deepen the flavor, okay? And that's what we want. So now it's been about a couple of minutes. Now we're just going to add in some Dijon mustard. Come on, sous chef. Okay, nice little squirt. And then we're going to add in some diced tomatoes. And again, we're just going to give it a stir. Ooh, it's coming together, you guys.
Flavor.
We need smell-o-vision right now. Let me tell you. Yes, it is.
Now we're about to pour in the vegetable broth. Enough, not drown, to loosen and let it simmer for 5 minutes.
Right. All right, you guys, now that we have let that simmer for about 5 minutes and it's nice and bubbly, now it's time to add in our cannellini beans. I think I'm pronouncing that correctly. We're just going to get those poured in. Now remember, cassoulet is a bean dish first. The protein is what supports it, but it doesn't dominate that. So keep it in mind. Keep that in mind, you guys. We're just going to give that a little stir. And you know, we like to taste as we go as well. You know what I'm saying? So if you need to add any more seasoning, do so. If you need to add a little bit of vegetable broth, do so, just to keep it loose. You don't want it watery, but you definitely want it to be a little loose. Now all we did was toast up some breadcrumbs and some plant-based butter. Smart balance, you know, it's our choice. And we just browned it, and then we're just going to sprinkle those breadcrumbs on top of the cassoulet. Now you also have the option of baking at 375 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes. Or you can let it broil for about 2 to 3 minutes until the top is golden. This is what makes it a cassoulet, you guys. The Cajun Chicken Cassoulet came out exactly how we wanted. Rich, cozy, and full of that Louisiana flavor with our vegan twist.
Definitely one of my favorites from our Cooking with T&J New Orleans series. You already know we had to put our spin on it.
Make sure you tune in next week to see what big, easy favorite we cook up next. Peace.